What's that? You're tired of your basic cable and you can never find a channel that you enjoy? No, not anymore. You need a car replaced too? Here at D. Patrick Nissan, if you buy a used car $5,000 or more, you'll also receive a free 55-inch smart TV. These TVs stream in 4K Ultra HD and offer 4,000 streaming channels available through Roku TV. It's also cord cutter certified. I don't know what that means, but it says platinum below it, so it's probably good. You ever watch The Joy of Painting with Bob Ross? It's incredible. And you can stream it on one of those TVs. So shop our inventory online at dpatricknissan.com.